heard the word, the secret chord, the David play and please to learn, but you don't really care for music, do ya? It goes like this: the four, the fifth, the minor fall, and the major lead, the baffled king composing. Hallelujah, 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 your feet was strong, but you need a fruit. Some have waiting on the road, her beauty and the moonlight overthrew ya. She tied you to her kitchen chair, she broke your toe and she cut your hair, and from your lips a truly hallelujah, Maybe there's a higher path, but all I've ever learned from life was how to shoot somebody who I drew. Yeah.